In my business, I have a lot of moving parts. I have drivers on the road and a warehouse full of high-value assets, so it's easy for something to get lost. Thankfully, I'm using Fleet Complete's asset trackers. This little device is battery-powered, and it's perfect for attaching to anything that you want to track, and it installs in seconds. We've attached it to our forklifts, generators, trailers. We even attached it to our disposal bin outside. Let me show you how it works. I can view all my assets and vehicles in one platform. Here I have the ability to filter my assets so I can differentiate between my vehicles and my unpowered assets for easy identification. I also receive daily notifications to alert me of the location of my assets. This gives me peace of mind that everything is where it should be and I can continue with my daily tasks. I like to think of it as set and forget. This little device is small and versatile. Now I can ensure my tools and equipment are safe, operational, and in the right place.